Hey guys, in this video we're going to see how to create a Google authentication using Supabase. So first I will keep the link to this repository in the description. So just check it out. And first step is to create a React app. So let's go and create it. Let's copy this and paste it. Let's name it like sample auth. I'm choosing React, JavaScript, and let's copy this, paste, npm install, paste. And after the installing npm, we have few dependencies to install, that is Supabase and React Router DOM. Let's copy this line. Let's wait for it to install. Now let's paste it, and there you go. Now let's run the file to see if it's working. Let's try it, and yes, it's working. So but we don't want this, so let's clear all the files that are not needed for us. I'm clearing all the folders here. Let's bring this down. I don't want this. I don't want the app.jsx. I don't want index.css. I don't want the assets folder, and inside the public I don't want the y.svg. And there you go. Now let's see the steps. Now the screen is empty now. So copy paste the folders and files inside the repository. So the first file to note is Supabase client.js. So let's create that. Supabase client.js inside the Supabase client. They will say and the create one next. I said paste something called user interface. So let's paste it. User context. This is for the RDS. So let's copy it. Paste it. Save. After that, create another nice homepage. Create file is home objects. Now let's search for homepage. Copy it. Paste it. One folder. Login out. Yes. So copy. Paste and save. Also we have created login out. Success. Copy. Paste. Now let's create comment. So comments and objects. Let's copy paste. And one file. Nice dashboard. File dashboard. Let's see. And I have one file. One file. Now paste and address. Okay. Let's get address. Copy. Paste and save. And after this, just this address. But the folder is Google. Let's download. So let's download. And paste inside my library. And save. So it's already there you go. And let's see if it's going now. So it's already using like which is not running. So now let's start setting the stuff. First create a .env file inside the folder env, and you can check the format here. Copy this and paste this. So that's it with the coding. Now let's start getting all these links and all. So go to Google. First let's open Supabase. For those who don't know what is Supabase is, it's just a Firebase alternative kind of database, and also it provides authentication and instant APIs and all. Just check it out. So I have already created account. Create your own account and start your project. It's completely for free. And I have an existing project. You have to create your own project. Create a new project. Give it some name. I'm saying authentication. Give some password, or you can just generate the password yourself. Select the region which is closer to you. I'm from India, so I'm selecting South Asia. Create a project, and that's it. Our project is ready. Now go to authentication. Here's what is important: sign in, and you will see all this. So first let's go to settings and data API, and here you will see the URL. Copy this URL, paste it here, then copy this anon key and paste it here, and that's it. Now go to Supabase again, authentication, sign in and providers. So email is enabled by default, but we are not going to use that. We have to pay money for that. But here this is Google. You can also use another like LinkedIn or anything your wish. So we have to get this client ID and client secret from the Google. I will show that to you and copy this beforehand. Now let's go to Google Cloud Platform. In the Google Cloud, just if you have a Gmail account, that's fine. Now create a new project. If you don't have one, just create a new project and name it whatever you want. Create, and it takes some time to create the project. After creating, select that project. There you go. Now go to APIs and services. Here click on OAuth consent screen. Get started. Create an app name. You can give whatever you want. I'm just saying sample. Give your email. Click on next. Click on external. Click on next. Contact information. Give your email ID. I'm giving my company's the@gmail.com, and next. Finish. Continue and create. Now this will create the client ID, sorry, consent screen. After this is done, click on create OAuth client. Now click on application type, web application. You can name whatever you want. I'm just keeping it same. Now coming to the authorized redirect to URIs, this is where you have to paste this link. So just copy this link, add it here and paste it. That's it. Create. So it's saying it takes up to 5 minutes. Now we got the client ID. Copy this client ID, paste it here. Also enable this, and once this is done, you will get the key. Just go and search for the key. Yes, this is the client ID. Here is the secret. Copy the secret key, paste it here, and that's it. Make sure this is on. Once this is done, save. And after this, still this isn't over yet, because we have to go to URL configuration, and here the default is this one. We have to change it. So for mine, my port is running at, let's see, my port is running at 5173. Whatever your port is, just copy that and paste it here. And also this is the site URL, so this is the site one. Is not specified, doesn't match one or the polished. This value is exposed as template. So now save changes. Now redirect URLs, copy the same one, and I am sending the redirect to dashboard directly. If your file, if you want to send it to a different file, you can do that. So I'm just saving the URL, and that's it. Now let's try and see if this is working. So first I'm getting a home page, sign in. I'm getting a sign in with Google option. Let's hope this works. Okay, Google is authenticated. Continue, and it took us to the dashboard, and we are getting my email and name. You can also get the profile photo and all. You can check your users here. Let's refresh this, and we got the IDs, our name, email, provider, social. You can also see the date and time, last signed in and all. So this is how you make the authentication. Make sure to change the redirect URL when you are doing when you are going to push the code to deployment, because you will get a different link there. Localhost won't work, so that's the thing. And coming to the code, if you see, it's just a basic code. Don't use this, I will delete them, so it won't work. So first we created the supabase.client.js, right? So these keys are being imported here. Okay, this will create the Supabase client, and that's it. After that, the first thing is, you can see the app.jsx. We are using a protected route, so that, for example, if I'm logged out, let's say someone tried to go to dashboard without logging in, it shouldn't be taking there, right? So it will redirect back to login, because that's called a protected route. And I am protecting the dashboard one, so that's it. Just home page, login page, and then dashboard page. So first the home page, there is nothing here, just a basic button, the button to take to sign in, so that will navigate me to the login page. That's it. And where is the login? Here it is. I kept a button there, so sign up button, sign in using Google and Google photo. This you can just change it however you want. And coming to this is the important point where the Google Supabase authentication is needed. First, it will force the logout to get a fresh login, and we are providing Google. If you are using LinkedIn and all, you can just put them here, and this will redirect. We have to mention which page to redirect. That is dashboard, and small basic stuff. I am setting the email, that is, you can think as storing the email and name. And next, dashboard. Dashboard just prints the username and email. There you go, email name and password. That's it. Logout. For the logout, we have another function, handle logout, sign out. That's it. So just you can just see it. If you have any doubts, just give the code to ChatGPT and ask the questions. It will answer for you. So this is a simple and easiest way to do the Google sign in. And that's it, guys. If you have any doubts, let me know. Thank you.